Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a different style video than I think I've ever done on my channel. But I've been doing a lot more fashion videos on my channel and I wanted to see if this is a video that you guys would like to see more styles of. So let me know in the comments down below if you like it, give it a big thumbs up, and let me know what other kind of classic pieces in your wardrobe that you'd like to see styled different ways. Today we're featuring the white button-up, button-down situation. I recently hauled this in my latest H&M haul, which I will link that down below for you guys. But I wanted to style it 10 different ways and show you kind of how I plan to wear it throughout the fall, because I did pick this piece up specifically to bring into my wardrobe for a fresh new piece for fall. I think you just have to re-up on white button-ups every once in a while. And this one was so affordable. This is an oversized one, and that's kind of what I wanted for my fall wardrobe, but I did still get this in extra small. I think they're just very oversized on their site. But anywho, I wanted to share this with you. Please let me know if you like these sort of videos, like I said, and let's jump into the outfit. Is very casual. I recently picked up these green joggers in a Gap haul, maybe like a couple months ago now, and I knew I wanted to wear these super casual with like a graphic tee or a basic just white tee or something like that. But I also thought it could be kind of cute to dress up. So I decided to challenge myself and see if you can style this with a white button down, and I really like it. Also, all of my accessories that you see on throughout the video will be linked down below for every outfit, so it's easy for you to find access to that as well. But yeah, I just really loved this look. I feel like it's very fall with the dark olive joggers, and I don't know, it's a little bit more dressy with the white button down. I love a white button down. I think you can make it casual or dressy, and this next outfit is like the most casual one. And I know I said this was mostly fall, but honestly, we are still like very hot in Dallas, so I wanted to still get an outfit or put together an outfit that I would still wear now. So these basic denim shorts, you can get denim shorts anywhere. These ones are specifically from Abercrombie. These are their 7-inch one that I love that they released for summer. I don't think they sell these anymore. I have them in 2 colors, but I will link something similar if I can find it, or these exact ones, I'm not sure. But I love a long denim short. I just think they are God's gift to the world, and like your booty cheeks ain't hanging out, and I love it. And then I recently got this hat from Amazon. I'm from New York, but no, I don't really watch baseball. I'm being honest with you, but I still think they're a cute fashion piece. So I love this. This is a light gray one, but it almost looks like taupey, could go sage green. I don't know. I love this color so much. And I think the white with the Nike sign, or the Yankee sign with the white button down is just so classic. And then I threw on my Birks. I just feel like you cannot go wrong. I think it's just such a classic kind of transitional outfit because it is long sleeves, so you are a little bit more covered up. But this is the perfect outfit to grab lunch, to grab coffee, whatever the case may be. I just think it's such a like, you look put together because you're wearing a button down, but you're like very comfortable because you're in shorts and a baseball hat. So now we're gonna get a little dressy. This is an outfit that I would have worn back when I went to work full time and was in an office and whatnot. This is an outfit that I would have worn, and I paired it with this cheetah skirt, which I think I got this from Nasty Gal. Yeah, I have 2 like satin sort of skirts like this from Nasty Gal, and I love them. I feel like they're so affordable. I'll try to link this. Like I said, I got these like, oh gosh, maybe over a year ago, way over a year ago at this point. But I love the like satin sort of material to it. And I think it just went really well with the basic button down. You wear black button down with this, but again, I paired it with the white, so I found a skirt that has a little bit of white in it to kind of just tie the look together. You can always throw on a leather jacket to take it more nighttime. And if you guys watch my styling haul videos, you know these are no like surprise to you. I love a basic pair of black loafers, and I feel like they're just so easy with jeans or skirts to throw on and you're good to go. All right, so we did a work-ish sort of look. Now let's do a date night sort of look. I love taking a button down and kind of like folding over the lapels sort of thing to make it look more open and like a very deep V look, and tucked into a pair of like distressed, high-waisted, fitted, like structured jeans. I think is so cute with a pair of nude heels. It's like pretty much my staple. I love wearing pants and a button down as like a dress up sort of look. I think you can still make it look very sexy, but being very like covered and like grown up sexy. It's not like, I don't know, like tube top, short shorts. It's like very grown, but you look like, dang, she's got her life together, you know? That's the vibe I'm going for. And then I love this bag that I got from Amazon. Again, it's just such a pop of color and it goes with anything neutral at all. And I think it's super cute to kind of like elevate a night out sort of look. So I paired that outfit together. I love these Everlane jeans. You'll see them in a ton of my try on hauls because they're just that good. They don't sell this specific distressed print anymore, or this distressed color anymore, but I will link a similar option for you down below. I love the Everlane jeans. They are stiff, they're tight, but they are so good. Another fun way to kind of layer for the fall over a white button down is with a blazer. Again, you'll see a lot of these pieces are pieces that I've just recently picked up or whatnot, because I do a lot of hauls on my channel, and like I said, I want to show you guys the versatility of when you buy a piece that I've recommended or showed you or tried or, you know, convinced you to get for some reason because you need it in your wardrobe, how versatile it can be and what you can do with it to style it. So I loved this blazer. I've already showed this in many different try-on hauls, I feel like, over the last couple months on my channel, but this one's from Walmart. Such a good deal. I love the colors, so fall with this like houndstooth sort of print with a white button down. You are good to go. I threw it on with some sneakers for just like a much more casual look, but you can obviously wear it with heels to elevate the look for another like date night sort of look as well. Okay, so I kind of made fun of this look in one of my recent Abercrombie videos, but the sweater over the shoulder sort of look, and you know what? I'm actually living for it. I'm honestly living for it. I think it's very preppy. I think it's very fall. It's very cute. I don't know. I love it. So I took this large oversized Abercrombie sweater. You can get this, I got this in a small. I will also link my sizes down below, but this is an oversized sweater by nature. So I did get this in a small to make it sort of oversized, and you can wear it over the button down as well. I loved the gray, like the pop of the gray, because it does have some white heathering in it over the shoulders. I just thought it was super cute. I don't know, I kind of made fun of that, but I honestly, I'm digging it. I'm living for it. All right, and then another layering piece is like a trench coat vest sort of thing, which I think is the perfect fall transition, and I hope they're coming back. I've had this in my wardrobe for years and years and years. I will try to link something similar to it. This is by the brand Stradivarius, which I believe is an international brand only. I want to say it's similar to like Zara, but yeah. Anyways, this is what I got. I love it. I love the color of it. I think it looks really pretty, buttoned or layered over the top of a button down. It's just such a nice fall piece. I love the length of it and whatnot. You could obviously do it with a cardigan as well, but I do really love, it's lightweight, but it feels like nice with the length and whatnot. And then obviously a classic way to wear a white button down, super preppy, is to throw like a knitted crew neck sweater over it. I recently picked this up in my recent H&M haul too, and I love the color of this and I love the fit of it. You can leave just the collars out, the collar and the sleeves. What is this thing called? I don't know. The collar and the sleeves, but you can also completely untuck it if you'd like. I like to kind of leave it tucked in and just show the top part, but either way, such a cute look. And I went ahead and paired it with a black pair of denim. I love these. These are a mid-rise from Abercrombie. They're a super skinny denim. I've had them forever, but I will link something super similar to them. It's not so high-rise. They're a very stretchier material. But I think they look cute with a white button down, of course, hence the theme of the video. And then for an accessory to just go button down with a pair of black denim is my felt hat. You guys know I love these. I've been getting into them more often. I just think, especially in Texas. I just feel like you can get away with a hat. Everyone wears hats around here. This one's old from Target, but I will link something similar down below for you guys. Okay, and this last item I feel like I could do a whole video on, so let me know if you want to see one all about denim jackets. But I paired it with a denim jacket. This is an oversized denim jacket, so I did go ahead and tuck in the white shirt. If I was wearing more of a cropped denim, I would have let the shirt like come out, but overall, love this denim jacket. This one's from Petal and Pup. The brand is Little Lies, but an oversized denim jacket of any kind you can get. They don't sell this one anymore on their site, but I will link something similar to it. I think you need a cropped denim jacket, and I also think you need an oversized denim jacket for different looks throughout your wardrobe. So that is every way that I have styled this white button down that I got from H&M at a super affordable price. If you guys like this, like I said, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up and letting me know in the comments down below what sort of wardrobe piece you want to see styled next. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.